What's up, guys? It's JAPA Rico here, and let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has reached 50K US dollars last night. Well, depending on what part of the planet you are. And what's going to happen now? Like Bitcoin, we will keep going up, we will make a correction, we will fall like hell, we don't know, right? So let's take a look at the charts and try to understand what's going on. So here I have my TradingView app, and one thing that I would like to discuss is the PVA volume. If you look at the volume bar, you can use PVA. You don't need to use PVA. If you want to use other kinds of volume indicators, it's also fine. But I believe that all of them will show you this kind of divergence between the price and the volume bar. So the volume bar means that the number of transactions that are going on at the moment, they've been declining. So they've been going down, but price is still going up, but not as much, not in the same speed as before, right? So price has been slowing down a bit. It's still going up, but it's slowing down. And you can see this wedge, right? So I drew here in yellow, so the upper band in yellow, the lower band here, right? And guys, so as you can see, if price manages to break, like to do a breakout of this wedge, then it's more likely that price is going to fall. So I drill here with this blue line. The price may fall like that once it has broken the wedge formation. All right. And another thing, guys, that I would like to discuss is when we minimize this. So let's get it minimized for a while, so it's easier to see, right? So you can see this very strong resistance taking place here at exactly, at this level. Okay, so let me see if I can, yeah, so around 50K, guys. Yes, okay, so I'm sure that you guys can see this, right? So you can see that price is being this very strong resistance at 50K that was before, it was support here, right? And it was resistance here. So it seems to be a pretty strong resistance taking place at 50K. If price manages to break out this 50K and stays there for a while, then maybe we can see that price will keep going up and try to reach the previous high, which took place at around 63K, and that happened in April this year, right? So that happened here. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yes, so that happened, so that happened here, guys, and this was in so this was in April this year, right? So it was the previous high at around 63, almost 64. And if price from now on, right? From now on, if price manages to break out this formation, manages to break out the resistance and stays there for a while, then it's more likely it's going to try to catch the previous high. If it doesn't, which is more likely in my opinion, if it doesn't, right, it's going to finally break out the wedge and do this kind of fall, right? So continue to fall because there are two confirmations. One is about to happen. Okay, so the first confirmation is the divergence between the price and the volume here, and the second confirmation that is about to happen, that it will be the wedge. Okay, so the wedge breakout, the raising wedge breakout, and then after that there will be a fall. So in my opinion, it is more likely we are going to experience a fall in Bitcoin, which is different from my second chart. Okay, in Ethereum, guys, I think is the opposite. In Ethereum, what happened is that the price has been accumulating here, right? So price was accumulating along the 200 EMA. It failed to break the 200 EMA going down. It failed to do that. And then after that, there was a strong rejection from the 200 EMA. Price went up along the dragon, along the 50 EMA. And it's more likely, in this case, Ethereum will try to catch the previous high, okay, at around 4,000. So my opinion about Ethereum is that you'll continue to go on a bullish trend. And let's take a look at Cardano. So Cardano, guys, I would say the sky is the limit, okay? Or as what's that guy's name again? So the a lot of people like to say, oh, he's going the moon, right? He's going up to the moon. Elon Musk, right, the owner of Tesla, so he likes to say, oh, he's going up to the moon, right? So here as well, guys, because you already made a new high, right? So I said last time that it would try to catch the previous high, which it did. And after that, I said, oh, it's more likely it's going to break out, right, and make a new high, which it also did. So from now on, it's more likely it will continue on this bullish trend, and the sky is the limit. I don't know actually what's going to happen, and I have no clue. So I can only expect that we'll continue to go on a bullish trend. Of course, there may be a correction, as well. There is always a correction, right? So there may be a correction. We don't know when it's gonna take place. So I don't have much to say about Cardano. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin, guys, the thing is that I also have divergence because price has been going up for a while, okay, although not much up, right? So not much up, and the speed has slowed down a bit as well. But here when you look at the volume has gone down. So there is divergence between the volume and the price. And we don't know much what's going to happen in Cardano, but as we can see, at least when we analyze using PVSRA, is that price is still being negotiated above the dragon, all right? So that's a good news for those of you who are bullish on this position. If you have any positions that are bullish positions, buy positions, so you know that the trend is still bullish. So there may be some corrections, but at least as long as PVSIA is correct, the price will still move on a bullish trend, okay? So that was the market update for you guys. Let me know if you guys like this market update or not. Let me know in the comments section below. And stay tuned for new updates. And every time I'll try to make updates daily updates every day for you guys, okay? So stay tuned and share with your friends, spread the word, and see you soon. Bye.